So I've kind of been neglecting my tools, leaving them exposed to the Florida elements. So I'm going to try to clean these up. And this isn't going to be some sort of, sparkling restore video, but I do want to show you what you can knock out with a little elbow grease and a big jug of vinegar from our favorite place, Aldi. The main reason for making this video is that I have this recording so that when I forget how to put this thing back together, can't be that many pieces. It'd be a pretty short video if this didn't come undone. Can you tell that I'm a computer guy and not a actual physical tools guy? It's so much easier when you have a virtual work area instead of a physical one. Looking good so far. Now there is a little tiny piece that I'm sure we could lose if we're not careful. I don't even know if this screw comes out. Huh. Believe me, I was much better at typing code. Those are the basic components. So I'm going to throw them in this glass here. Plastic cup, I guess, is a better term. It's not a glass. And I'm not going to drop that in, but I'll put this in. Fill it up with vinegar, and we'll let it sit there for a couple hours. I meant to soak it in vinegar for only a couple hours, but stuff happens. So it's been 24 hours, and it looks like there's been quite a chemical reaction. I have a lot of different things to help me clean this, and I don't think any of them are appropriate. I have a stiff brush here. I got a toothbrush I was cleaning the grill with. Coarse sandpaper, light sandpaper, or this big brush, which is not going to work. I think that's all the parts. Let's see if this rough scrubby does anything. No, not really. Let's try this chill sandpaper, see what it does. Okay, let's work on this one. Ouch, don't do that. Let's see if the scrubby does anything. Yeah, the gunk just kind of rubs off of this one.